All right, Chief, first of all, name?
Chief Kevin Hostler,
Spell your last name.
Hosler.
Tell me what you got today, deployment for California.
Today we deployed a strike team leader and our Type 3 TIFMAS truck to assist the state of California with the outbreak of wildfires that they've had in the state.
How many departments are going up on this first run?
I know from this region that you have the city of Houston, Needham, New Waverly, and Willis have sent departments this morning.
Okay, and deployment, how long of time are they looking at?
They should be gone 14 with a 21-day max.
And do they come back, just fly back in, just change crews out, or how do they do that?
We haven't got that far with this yet to know if we're going to be changing out crews or if they will be driving back.
Kind of a long drive out there.
Yeah, they have a pretty long drive ahead of them today. Obviously, it'll take them a day and a half to get there.
What are you hearing on that fire up there? What have you been told?
From what I've been hearing and from what I've been seeing on the news and keeping up with it, California's having a pretty tough time out there. They've got multiple fires burning in that whole region of the United States, and it's just a pretty bad deal up there.
That'll work.
Actually, this is the first time I actually know every one of the engine bosses, which I don't think has ever happened to me, so that's good. Team actual, that's how we're going to run this. I know that the engine bosses were rostered and had to be qualified, but I know that there's trainees, so we're going to redo the group text right here. So if there's anyone that's a trainee that's actually going to be calling the shots for the engine, let me know, and I'll get them in there. So is okay. All right. So by lunch. Okay. Wait on you now. We're gonna be down to Mexico. We're gonna make it tonight. The goal is to stop probably 2 or 3 times between here and there. Before that, we'll probably have a roll about. So. We haven't got resource orders yet, so you can't check in with the numbers for your vehicles before. Just hold on to them. Keep the apparatus now before we leave the parking lot. That way we have them in case you get hit on the way. If you break down. Be the travel channel. Unless we get close enough with another team, we'll move from there. But 92D is going to be the running channel for us. Flex.